Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I remove the seam lines from my canopies. It is actually pretty easy, but you need some patience. So, first I start with a curved scalpel blade. With this I scrape the seam very carefully, trying to be only on top of the seam and not to affect any of the surrounding surfaces. A straight scalpel blade will also work, but I feel that the curved one leaves the least amount of trace behind it. Here I left the process unedited so you can see how fast actually this happens in real time. After I am done with the scraping, I remove very carefully all the dust and particles to avoid scratching the canopy. Next up, I'm going to use a set of polishing cloths. Link for those you can find in the description below the video. Starting with the 4000 grit, I am carefully sanding the marks left from the blade, trying not to affect too wide of an area. Next up comes the 6K polishing cloth, with which I'm going to remove the 4K sanding marks. With that, I'm going to cover a little bit wider area. Also, I'm using small amounts of water to help me with the dust, and generally it is better to use water for such tasks. To remove the residue, I'm using a cloth that is used to clean lenses and glasses, so it is smooth and will not damage the clear plastic. Moving up to the 8K polishing cloth, this one will cover even larger area and will get rid of the 6K marks. In all of the time you should be mindful of the erased details, because we don't want to remove those or damage them in some way, because they're hard or maybe even impossible to restore. Now you can see that we are getting clearer and clearer canopy, and we are moving to the final polishing cloth, 12,000 grit. It's almost smooth, but with some water it's going to give us a very smooth surface. I'm not using too much pressure, just letting the polishing cloth to do its job. After I clean up the canopy, you can see that there is a little bit of cloudiness. That we will rectify with some Tamiya finishing compound. This is the finest compound from Tamiya, which means it has the smallest amount of abrasive in it. So here I'm using a cotton bud to spread it around the entire canopy and buff it. I like to work the compound in until it deteriorates, which you can judge by the fact that it becomes an oily, almost transparent mass. At that point I will remove the excess, and if needed I will apply a new batch of the product. After the excess is finally removed from the canopy, we can enjoy the final result, which is pretty good in my opinion. So if you like this video, hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you next time. Until then, happy modeling, fellas.